Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can upload story on Facebook. Maybe you want to know on how you can upload your story on Facebook, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can upload your stories on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then in here, you will see Create a Story. Simply tap on this Create a Story. And then in here, simply select the photo or video that you want to story on your Facebook. For example, this one. After that, you can put sticker, text, music, effects, and you can also draw and also tag people. And this one, I won't be moving anything, so I'll just simply tap on the share button. After you tap on the share button, you will see here it's loading. And once you tap in here, you'll see here your story. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can story on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can upload your story on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.